In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a project or task. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. Choose Projects/Tasks from the drop-down menu. To edit a project or task, select that project or task. I'm going to select the task inventory. When I do that, I cannot change the project this task is assigned to or the code, but I can change the name. I can add any notes. I could change the way this is able to be entered. Maybe I only want it through time card or only through the clock. I can also select different attributes. Maybe this one is billable, so I'll click that box. And maybe I don't want people working overtime to do inventory, so I will click this is overtime exempt. I could also disable this task so that it can't be used at the moment and re-enable it during inventory time. Maybe I'll go ahead and do that. If you changed your mind and you don't want to make these changes, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now those changes have been saved. If you look at the inventory row, you can see that it's still called inventory, still has that same code. The time can be logged through card or clock. And it's billable as well as paid, overtime exempt, and not currently enabled. That's how you can edit a project or task. To delete a project or task, click on that project or task. This time I will choose the project After Hours Summer 2016. If I wanted to edit this project, I can't change the code, but I could change the name or the notes, or I could disable it. But let's say I just want to delete this project altogether. In that case, I'll click Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this project. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that Summer 2016 project has been deleted. If a project or task already has time logged under it, you cannot delete it. Basically, if you've used the project or task, it can't be removed. You can still disable it so it can no longer be used. That's how you can edit and delete projects and tasks in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add activities.